New at 6, Wesley Healthcare announcing it's partnering with Cure Violence ICT to address gun violence in the community. The hospital says it treats hundreds of people who have traumatic injuries from violent assaults here in Wichita. Wesley's trauma team will identify these patients, and Cure Violence will work with them to prevent any future acts. The organizations say that addressing community violence is easier when they're working together.
I think it's essential that the left hand knows what the right hand is doing. And when we create an environment where we're communicating with each other, we're working together, and we're working with community, we can be the cure for the gun violence that's happening in our community.
Cure Violence says that the partnership will begin immediately. They hope to expand to other hospitals in the future.